In a small corner of the Rolling Oaks Mall is a wrestling merch store that is the cornerstone for the future of pro wrestling in San Antonio. The kids come every Tuesday and Wednesday to learn the trade of pro wrestling and learn lessons about life. Under the watchful eyes of coaches Elijah the King Cobra Galindo and Bobby Garrett.
2, 3.
The kids learn lessons like teamwork, patience,
Kick your legs out so that way you can get the full extension. Kick them out. Yeah. Close.
discipline,
1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Awesome. Good job.
and even supporting each other. But it's also about having
The
fun.
best part about doing this is to learn new moves and start becoming a superstar.
It's the moves. I really like doing the moves. Making friends and having fun.
The coaches make sure everyone is safe and comfortable learning so no one is ever hurt.
Raise your hand if you do not want to do the snap suplex. And it's okay to be honest. Go just straight.
And the coaches love training the new generation of pro wrestlers.
I just want to pass down the knowledge and keep the sport going, keep the excitement, and number one, help people do it right.
It's truly a blessing. I feel like it kind of makes you have to step up in a lot of different aspects. So I take it very seriously, and I try to now just pay attention to all of my surroundings and everything that I do, because at the end of the day, I know that we have the youth watching us, and I want to be a good example.
And the kids, of course, had big dreams.
I'd wrestle in LA. I really want to wrestle Dominic. He's my idol.
If you can wrestle anywhere, where'd you wrestle?
Right in this ring right here.
I was gonna say Paris. I would want to wrestle in Raw.